new Harley Davidson Sportster S. When tradition collides with ever-increasing eco-friendly legislation, you have to make a courageous choice. Break with the past and design something completely new, yet still remain true to your soul. This was clearly Harley Davidson's intention in designing and manufacturing the new Sportster S, which closed the production of the old Sportster that was started in 1957. At the front end, we find an adjustable 43mm upside-down Showa suspension, a 160 tyre on a 17-inch rim, a 320mm disc with Brembo radially mounted 4-piston calipers, as well as a pill-shaped LED headlight set between two steering plates. Moving on, the Sportster has an 11.8 litre tank that reminds us of the iconic peanut shape of the old Sportster. A single seat with reduced padding and a minimal tail that leaves the gorgeous 180 rear tyre largely uncovered. The license plate is connected directly to the steel tubular swing arm, which makes the new Sportster S seem even longer than it is. On the opposite side lies a striking dual exhaust system with an aluminium heat guard, which helps to put the Sportster S in the muscle custom cruiser category. Under the tail we find a fully adjustable Showa monoshock. The highlight of the new Sportster S is clearly the all-new 1252cc twin revolution engine, which has 121 horsepower and an impressive 127 Newton meters of torque at 6,000 RPM. You can forget about the good Harley vibrations of the past, because this engine has double counterbalance shafts which almost completely cancels out the vibrations. The gearbox is wonderfully precise, and we have to yet again forget the classic sound and feel of a Harley shifter. The clutch is light and has no need for huge muscles in your left arm, though the final transmission is still reassuringly belt driven. As we have come accustomed with other manufacturers, this Sportster S has a ton of electronics as standard. Fully adjustable Showa suspension, Brembo brakes, a generous sprinkling of magnesium parts, a slipper clutch, and a 6-axis IMU, which manages traction control and cornering ABS. All selectable with an array of switches on the handlebars. The full-colour 4-inch digital speedometer provides all the necessary information and a smartphone interface which connects to the easy-to-use Harley Davidson app. Now let's give it a try on the road and see how it goes. Let's start from the riding position. The standard feet forward riding position is well thought out and reminiscent of the previous Sportster S. The motor is exceptionally refined. Power delivery is supremely linear, and the absence of vibration through most of the rev range means grabbing another gear isn't always necessary. Braking, despite the single front disc, gets the job done thanks to the quality of the Brembo parts, but could be better. The Showa suspension do their very best, but limited fork travel and 5 centimeters of rear wheel travel, which were chosen to give the bike its low look, means it's a bumpy, harsh world out there, and in the twisties, this limitation gets amplified. So, overall, what's our verdict? Well, the gem is clearly the new engine. It's just fabulous. Matched to the chassis, it's a bit of an overkill. But then, this is a Harley, and anything else just wouldn't feel right. Which makes this new Sportster S a best buy, even if the price of €16,150 is not particularly attractive, but being cool really has no price. Remember to click the subscribe button down below and the bell icon, and make sure you don't miss any new adventures that we post.